Okay, so I just want to share with you guys, before anything else, the materials I used for this project. First is the pot that I am using is made of fiber with a height of 12 inches tall and with a circumference of 10 inches. The medium of the paint that I used is a ceramic paint and an acrylic paint. And of course, we could do this project without my paintbrushes. So now I'll be introducing to you guys my pot traya and my pot musikaya. So first, I'll introduce with you my pot musikaya, which is an inspiration of shapes, lines, and patterns with colorful use of medieval decor. Pot musikaya doesn't only portray motherhood and comfort, it shows a longingness of justice, equality, and my own preference of the great vibe of music from different ancient countries. Now I'll leave it to you guys who and where this art inspired the most. So the next one is Patraya. It's one of the rare pieces I made. This opens up my softest side as a mother. It entails tender emotions and warm connection between a mom and a child. I must admit pastel and soft use is one of my thing, yet when it comes to painting, it serves a different story compared to my colorful and vibrant choices of textures as well as the combinations of colors I used. Guys, so that's the least thing that I could show you, but in just in case that you want to see the process and the procedures on how I did this project, well, I'll just put the link down below in the description box. And for those of you who haven't liked and subscribed to my channel yet, then please do hit the like and subscribe button.